So I'm going to show you a couple of pieces that I've gotten from Louis Vuitton in the last month, I would say. Yeah. So I'm going to start off with the biggest package I have. And I know it's the end of January, but yes, I do in fact still have a package that I have yet to unbox that has the Christmas packaging. And y'all, how gorgeous is this? Like, can we just take a second right now? This is amazing. Like, the Louis Vuitton in gold embossed there is so pretty. Like, it's amazing. So let me show you what's inside now that we're finished gawking over the packaging. So, orange box per usual. And let's see how this one actually opens. Has the magnetic flap right here. I'm gonna open this up. And tissue paper. I'm actually just going to slide this out here from the bottom. And it has the little white and gold ribbon that comes with the Christmas wrapping. And then this little card, of course, that's also Christmas. So, put this to the side. I think I still have paper. Yep, there we go. To reveal this gorgeous shirt. So let me show you what it says here. See if I can get that in. There we go. So that's the print on it. So it's a basic black shirt, and then it just has the logo right here, and it's so pretty. And y'all, let me tell you what I did to get this shirt. So I saw this shirt online, and I saw it on their website, but they only had it in white. This was white, and then this was black. And I didn't want a white t-shirt. I wanted a black t-shirt. So I found it on the European Louis Vuitton website, and I sent like the little code to my CA in Charlotte, and I asked her if she could possibly get it for me, because it was saying that there was one in stock in like New Jersey or New York or something like that. And she was able to order this for me. So yeah, I wasn't sure they were still making it. I don't think they're still making it in the US, but yeah, she was able to find it for me. So shout out to my CA for this gorgeous shirt. And so this is my first ready to wear piece from Louis Vuitton, and this is the information if anyone is interested in that. There we go. So yeah, that's the first item that came in this gorgeous Christmas packaging. So I'll put that right there. The second item from December is an SLG. So I'm going to pull out this drawer right here and show you guys what is inside. And more little Christmas stuff there. To reveal this cutie right here. I finally got the Louis Vuitton key pouch, and so as you know, comes with the key ring. So yeah, this is just going to be super handy. I think I'm just going to use this to replace my my 6 ring, because all I carry is a car key now. I don't even have a house key or anything because I have Vivint Smart Home, which is amazing, by the way, and you guys should check it out. If you want more info, let me know. I can hook you up. And then it has, I know some people were asking, yeah, it has gray writing. It says Louis Vuitton Paris on the inside. I don't think you guys are gonna be able to see that, but it's gray. I know some people were asking about it. So yeah, I actually ordered this online the same time as I got my reverse pochette Matisse, and you guys should definitely go check out that video because I had to chase the UPS man down for that one, so I'll link that one somewhere up above. And so yes, this is the second item from December. So next, what we have is also something that I special ordered from my CA, and it's this gorgeous piece right here. Like how, there we go, how gorgeous is this? This is amazing. And then the back. So I did an unboxing for this already, so this is just a kind of better lighting type video, and it has Louis Vuitton inscribed right there. Let me see if anything's showing, because I am actually using this right now, so let me turn some things around. Okay, so what I found really interesting about this was that it actually had the year inscribed. I had no clue about that before I got it. But yeah, so it has like 3 credit card slots right here. It has a pocket here, a pocket there, and of course you can also stick something. You can probably stick something here and right there because it's kind of like a trifold. So this is my first made in Spain piece. I think everything else is either USA or France. And also it has a pocket here on the back that you can slip something into. So it has a good amount of pockets. But yeah, this is the pocket organizer from the new Monogram Eclipse Foliage collection. They also have some soft trunks. They have a beautiful scarf. So if you can get your hands on anything from this collection, I definitely recommend it because this is gorgeous. And I wish they would like put this foliage print on the regular Monogram. That would be amazing. But yeah, I doubt that's gonna happen. But yeah, this is super cute. And then my final Louis Vuitton item came in this dust bag, and I actually ordered it off of Instagram. And this is something I've been trying to get my hands on for a while now. Here we go. This is my very first luggage tag because I don't have any luggage pieces, so I don't have any luggage tags. I think some people's CAs will just give them to them, but I don't know. I've never been able to get my hands on one. But anyway, this actually has the Beverly Hills logo on it. I don't know if this is washing out too much, so you guys aren't going to be able. Oh, there we go. So yeah, this actually has the Beverly Hills logo. I mean, this is the Beverly Hills stamp on it, and then it's blank on the other side. So yeah, this is the large size. I believe that's what she called it. So yeah, I'm super excited about this. My first luggage tag. And so yeah, that was, what was that? 1, 2, 3, 4 Louis Vuitton items that I revealed. And now I'm going to get to the giveaway part. So I have 3 items that I'm going to be giving away. So listen very carefully. Make sure you follow the rules so that you have a chance to win. So I have 3 items, like I said. I have 2 wallets and I have 1 card case. I'm going to show you what those are. So the card case I've actually already revealed, and it's this super cute Coach card case in their signature embossed print, and it has gold right here that says Coach New York, and it has the horse and carriage. So yeah, this is super, super cute. There you go. You can really see the black and gold. I love black and gold. The next 2 are these items. So I'm going to open this one first. And these are the exact same wallet, they're just different colors. So I'm not actually going to take like this off of the zipper because, like I said, I'm giving this away. But I am going to open it up so you guys can see. Wow. Okay, so let me close it first. So this is what it looks like on the outside. Look at this color. Like, I am in love, like literally in love with this color. I don't know. Y'all might not be getting this one. This is so pretty. And it's I'm not sure if the color is really true on camera. It looks kind of red. I'll see when I edit. But this is definitely like a burgundy Bordeaux color. And then the C's, and then even it's kind of like glittery. So it's like super cute. Let me see if I can get it really close so you can see. Yeah, I think that, yeah, there we go. That's the color right there. That's what the color is. So yeah, this is super cute. That's so pretty. So on the back, there's a zippered compartment, and it opens up like this. So you can slip something inside here. Let me zip that back up. And then you can open it. And it says Coach New York right there. So it's a darker print on the inside. And I'll open it all the way up. So you have 1, 2, 3 credit card slots right here. And I believe the same down here. So it opens up like this. And then the part where you put your bills is right here. So your bills would go in here. And whoever gets this, I'm going to go ahead and tell you, make sure that you take out this little tag, because it will go off every time you walk in it. I think Walmart, I'm not sure if it does it with other stores too, but I know definitely Walmart, if you do not remove all of these, it will go off when you walk into Walmart and when you leave Walmart. So I'm putting it back in. Just so you guys know this is authentic, you know, and everything. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. Like I said, I don't want to take the paper out because it's not mine, and you guys want you to have the experience of unboxing it too, or opening it. So it has all of these, all the little cards on the inside, you know, that Coach stuff comes with. But yeah, this is super cute. So I'm gonna close this one back up, and then I'm going to take this off. Oh my gosh, this one is so pretty too. Y'all, I can't with how gorgeous these are. Look at how gorgeous this is. So this is just the black, exact same zipper compartment at the back. Let me see if the color is black. I mean, yeah. It might be truer back here for this one. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm not sure. We'll see in editing. But yeah, this is just black and gold. Everybody knows what color black is. So once again, you open it. It's the exact same. You have Coach New York embossed at the top. You have all of your compartments, and then you also have your billfold compartment right here, so you can definitely put cash in here without having to fold it up. And all of your credit cards, debit cards, whatever, should definitely fit in here. So now that I've shown you guys what you have the chance to win, which is just a recap for everybody, you could win either this gorgeous Coach card case, this gorgeous Coach wallet in like a burgundy color, or this one that is black. And all of these have gold hardware. But yeah, these are so pretty. So these are the 3 items right here. So what do you have to do? Please be sure to enter the giveaway so I can get these items in everyone's hands. I will leave the rules down below, and also they will be listed on my Instagram post. And as always, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy any type of luxury content if you enjoy any type of luxury content. As you can see, I do not discriminate. We go from Coach to Louis Vuitton. It does not matter over here. And I know some people are bougie, but like, oh, Coach. Not me. I'm not that person at all. So thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you in advance for entering the giveaway. And please let me know if you have any video ideas, of any content that you want to see from me. Browse through my videos, and if you want a review of any particular bag, please let me know, and I'm happy to do that for you. Thank you guys so much for watching once again. I will see you next time.